Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're diving into the world of digital wallets and showing you how to make the most of Bank America's digital wallet services. If you're ready to manage your finances with ease, you are in the right place. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so to have to understand how to make the most of your digital wallet services in Bank of America's account, you might want to know what is a digital wallet. All right, so we have here a simpler definition of what it is. So it's a convenient way to pay in store, online, and in-app by using your phone to pay instead of using cash or your plastic credit or debit card. All right, so it contains digital versions of your credit and debit cards that are stored in your wallet apps on your mobile device. Examples are like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay right here. Okay. And then it is really easy to use because I've been using it as well. You simply load your eligible credit card or debit card into the digital wallet app on your phone, or load it using the Bank of America's mobile app. And where you can use it, simply here you have a plenty of options in store, online, in app, or ADM, right? And if you have a question of is my payment information stored on my phone? Well, it says here your actual card number is not stored on your mobile device or shared with the merchants because a virtual card number is assigned and associated only with the digital wallet and mobile device you use. All right. So all you gotta do is go here in the how to set up using your digital wallet. All you gotta do is log in to your Bank of America's account if you have one. Okay. Open the app and log in using your Bank of America online banking credentials. Make sure your new username and password are strong and secure to protect your account. Once you've logged in, tap on the menu and you will see under services and accounts section, you would just simply add the credit or debit cards in the digital wallet. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and the app will guide you through the process. All right, guys, so just ensure that your cards are already linked to your Bank of America account. All right. One of the fantastic features of the digital wallet is making contactless payments, whether you're at the store that accepts mobile payments. Open the app, choose the card you want to use, and follow the instructions during payment. That easy. And to keep track of your digital wallet transactions, you can easily access your transaction history in the app. So it's a great way to monitor your spending and ensures everything is accurate. So that's it for today's video. That's a wrap. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.